Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at applying formatting in inline input grids using the metadata feature. This feature works best if your input grid contains rows with different formatting. For example, one row might require inputs in percentage format and another in currency. Let's see how this works on an example. Here we have a startup financials calculator that collects the details of startups and provides break-even, liquidity, and coverage analysis. The first table in our application consists of various data types within the same input grid. We have the number of unit sales as a numeric field, revenue, costs, profits as currency, and gross margin as a percentage value. To apply this type of formatting, first make sure that the formatting options are defined in the underlying workbook. Next, we're going to go into the User Interface Designer and create our controls. After inserting our input grid and verifying the columns for the revenues range, we're also going to need to enable metadata formatting. The metadata formatting property can be found in the right-hand menu. When Use Metadata feature is enabled, the system will be able to detect any cells containing formulas and disable them automatically. Even though it can automate the formatting process, on the flip side, the metadata feature can have a performance impact. Please note that you must also enable the Trigger Calculations option along with metadata formatting because the formatting properties of each cell is evaluated during runtime calculations. We recommend using metadata formatting if your grid contains rows with different format types and fewer columns due to the performance impact.